Kelly, and I'm back with another video again today. I'm going to be using that gold chevron paper as my background for these photos. I'm trying to decide if I want to take that pink and use it behind the gold chevron, or if I'm going to use it to matte that photo. And I don't really love it matting the photo. It was a little bit too busy considering how big that gold chevron background is. So instead I found this pink paper with kind of the square crosshatches that are turned on their side there. That's the Maggie Holmes Summer Days. I didn't write that down. The Maggie Holmes Summer Days project pad that you could get at Joann's if you're in the US. And then the background chevron paper there is the Maggie Holmes Open Book 12 by 12 paper pad. That's where that came from. And you're seeing here that I'm using one photo, but I'm using two pieces of ephemera on this page. So I love scrapping photos, but I also do collect ephemera as I'm doing fun things. And I want to make sure to get those included into my scrapbook. For one thing, my mom and I were visiting my nephew and his wife and my great nephew there. And we were at a winery that we had a really good time at. And Noah the baby was not drinking wine. Anyway, we each had a glass after we did a little bit of a wine tasting, and I saved the menu of the wine tasting because that way then I know what wine was my favorite there, right? Because then I can ask them to bring me some. Anyway, back to the layout. I did take that wine tasting list, and it was kind of bare at the top, and I added that banner sticker. That is from the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection, and it's the accent stickers from that collection. So I added that in, and that just helps. I do love how that the craft colored wine tasting list works with the background paper and then the pink. It feels fun and festive. So now I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do to journal and where I'm going to journal. That's the other thing, is how is this going to work? And I'm thinking about this little card here, but not loving that. And seeing that too, but not loving that as well. This is, I believe, the ephemera from Maggie Holmes Sunny Days. And I do like that journaling piece up there, and I like it up at the top there. Just because it seems to have, I don't know, it balances out the card on the bottom. And here's some more ephemera here that I'm looking through for that collection. Just kind of see if there's anything that I can use to journal on. And I find this postcard. And I really like the amount of space that this uses up. So it's a little bit wider than, well, it's actually probably about double size of that other card. And so I think it does a really nice job balancing the business card on the bottom. And sometimes these stickers are not as sticky as you would wish them to be. I think at some point I went back in and put a little bit of adhesive on it so it would stop moving on me. And I think what it is I think it's the paper that the wine tasting list is made on, that it has almost a fuzzy texture to it. That's the way to describe that. All right, so now I'm going to actually distress these edges because the background paper looks a little bit distressed. I think it'll pull everything together, and then definitely that postcard was distressed. So I'm even going to distress my ephemera pieces here that I'm putting on the layout as well. And then I'm liking how this is a little bit, that is a little bit offset. That is my Tim Holtz vintage photo distress ink too, by the way. I love that stuff. I've had it for a long time, probably, oh my gosh, since pretty much the beginning of the ink. I don't know, maybe 10 years, maybe more. And it still is going strong. This is the brown ink that Chamel uses most, by the way, for those of you who are Chamel fans. And I think when I first started watching her, probably on 2Ps, is when I discovered this ink. I do have other browns, but I definitely go to this one much, much sooner. Okay, so I basically have the structure of the layout down now. And then just left is the embellishing. And, you know, obviously I put the banner embellishment on there, but it was so empty up there. It really needed something else before I could figure out what to do. And then that, by the way, the other reason I picked that blue banner is because there is that blue on the business card that I'm working with right now. And I think it's kind of a nice thing to have that diagonal going across the main part of my layout so that the wine tasting list and also the photos are in there. All right, so embellishing. Time for embellishing. I love that flower sticker there. I do like this one as well too, the black and white, but it's hard to get those leaves in the right spot. Plus, I really like the hint of pink there because then again, we have some pink on the back of the photo mat, and then we have that pink flower, and that flower has a little bit of gold on it. So I think they work together really well and help bring the layout together. So I have touches of pink, I have touches of gold. Though that flower is from the Maggie Home Sunny Days project pad. Now I have this bottle puffy sticker, and it's a bottle of white wine because that's what we are all drinking on this. This was a very hot day. And that came from the Recollections theme stickers. You can get those at Michael's. So there's glasses and bottles, and I do enough things that involve wine, and that glass is also again from those stickers. But I do enough things that involve wine that I like to keep a few little wine theme things on hand. All right, now I'm thinking I want something over on this side. Like it doesn't feel like there's enough. It feels like it ends a little bit too abruptly with that flower. So I'm trying this label here, but not loving it. And then I find this Happy With You sticker, and that's from the Sunny Days project pad. And I like that because I'm with my family here and we're visiting my nephew and my niece and the baby, who is not so much of a baby. This was a couple months ago, so he's turned a year old and is walking and starting to talk a lot, or we're starting to talk. All right, so I'm going to pull this label off because it just doesn't feel right to me. And instead I'm going to try this label. This is a little bit smaller. I didn't like how the flower there and the label were about the same size. So now I feel like I have some sort of progression in size here, and that label came from the Maggie Homes carousel and accent stickers as well. So now I'm looking for other things. I'm a little bit not quite so happy with that on the right side there. I'm thinking about that sticker, and this is going to take care of it. So it felt like it ended abruptly at the business card. So I'm going to add that sticker in there that says remember this place. And then I found another one that says the perfect day, and that's bringing some gold in, kind of the gold of the background and the wine there. And those come from the Maggie Homes Bloom accent stickers. I've gotten a lot of these at Tuesday Morning. A couple months ago they had a really big sale and they had a ton of Maggie Homes stuff. So now I'm just grabbing some hearts from that Bloom accent sticker sheet, and I'm bringing in some blue and pink with these hearts. Again, bringing the layout more together as I float the colors around the layout. And there I go. Just looking to see if there's anything else I can do here. And I like the way everything looks. So guys, here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye.